This is the most easy to follow trading strategy that'll take 1 minute of your time to learn. First, go to Tradingview and we're gonna search for reversal signal, and then click on this one right here. Next, just go to the settings of the indicator, go to the Style tab. Uncheck the options shown in the video. Now select the 15-minute time frame for this setup. And use any major currency pair, stocks and crypto. The strategy is simple in this order. To identify a buy trade, green support line, look for the green line, which represents a support level. This line indicates that the market has some bullish momentum. Green signal. When the green support line is present, be on the lookout for the appearance of a green signal. This signal suggests that the market has a high probability of reversing from this point. Place the stop loss order just below the support line. Set the take profit order near the nearest resistance level. Now for sell trade. Look for red resistance line. Wait for red signal. Place stop loss below the resistance line. Set take profit near support level. When using this indicator on short time frames, use markets for zero spread trading and execute pinpoint trade in the market. Link in the description. Join now. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, and fellow traders to empower others with this powerful trading strategy.